Good day, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure to warmly welcome everyone to the 26th commencement exercise. Today is a very special day for all of us as we celebrate the effort, perseverance, and determination that have brought us to this moment. This occasion beautifully captures the spirit of graduation, a time of transition, growth, and hope. With the theme Stepping Forward for a Better Future, we are reminded that graduation is not the end, but a new beginning. It reflects our commitment of what we learn, not only for personal success, but also to help build a brighter, more compassionate world. In every step forward, there is hope, determination, and the promise of a better future. To our special guest, Dr. Juan de la Cruz, School Division Superintendent of the Division of Cordova, thank you for your continued support in molding our students to become a better individual. To Honorable Maria Flora, our Municipal Mayor, thank you for gracing us with your presence today. To our esteemed guest speaker, Attorney James Flush, we are excited and honored to hear your words that will surely move hearts and inspire students here. And finally, to the proud 200 senior high school graduates and supportive parents, congratulations! All your hard work has paid off. This is your moment. Celebrate it, cherish it, and continue stepping forward for a better future. Congratulations!